Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing a box from Influenster. If you're not familiar with Influenster, this is a company that basically sends you products and then you go and you share it with your friends and you leave reviews and all that good stuff. They send out these boxes. There's either Vox boxes, which is a kind of an assortment of items, but then there are brand-based boxes. This is the Lily Lashes box, which is perfect because I had LASIK last summer in 2020, and now I can wear false lashes. Isn't that exciting? So we're gonna open this up together, see what's inside. Then I am gonna do a full review for you guys on my blog. Link to that below. I'll also link to Influenster with my referral link, so you can check them out if you would like to. Yeah, I think that's it. So anybody can sign up for Influencer, just so you guys know. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to have a YouTube. You don't have to, you know what I mean? Any of that stuff, not necessary. You can sign up. You know, whatever. All right. There we go. Lily Lashes Faux Mink Lashes, using the most luxurious faux material in the industry, along with intricate, unparalleled design. This collection of vegan lashes infuses a bold, multi-dimensional effect to your eye while instantly adding length, volume, and a touch of glam. The Faux Mink Miami Flare, so that I guess they're telling us what is in here. A flare version of our #1 best-selling Miami. This vegan lash style is ultra wispy, adding gradual volume and length. Then there's the Faux Mink Christen. This fluttery flare lash is sensuous and romantic, adding gradual length, wisp, and volume with mild boldness. Not what was the opposite of mild? Intense boldness. All right. Black Power Liner. Ooh, there's a liner in here. This innovative formula combines the power of extra tacky latex-free lash adhesive. Oh, cool! With bold pigmented liquid liner and an easy-to-apply mess-free felt tip pen. So they have put their glue into a liner to make it easier to apply the lashes, which I think is really cool. So then you share. It tells you how to share. That's part of the problem, is getting the glue to get the right tacky consistency, in my experience, to be able to use them. Are you gonna? Thank you. Seriously. All right, so here are the, this is the 3D Faux Mink. It doesn't say. Why aren't you telling me? Whatever. Oh no, here it is. Miami Flare. So those are huge. Oh Lord. Could I even see? My eyes are so little. You know what I mean? I got little tiny eyes. Somebody told me once that I had baby eyes. I thought that was kind of weird, but that's what she said. That's what she said. Anyway, so that's those. Those are really pretty, actually, though. I mean, they're pretty. They just look so dramatic compared to what I got going on. And believe me, they get smaller as you get older. My eyelashes are definitely not what they used to be. The old gray mare. Oh, they're sealed. Why on earth? I get why they're sealed. Why did I say that? Oh, I got it. Oh, yes. All right. So there they are. They're super, like, soft looking. They are. They're pretty, right? All right, so there's that. Let's go to the next before we get that liner out. So this is the Christen. So these look a little less, like, long. Actually, they look exactly the same. Didn't they not? Like, look exactly. I think they playing us out. We think they're different. They're not. All right, so anyway. I think they are a little less long, though. All right. All right, you son of a gun. Got it. These are, yeah, a little more natural. Natural, I'd say. Natural if you grow a lot of hair on your eyes. Anyway, so there's that. There's that. All right, then finally we have this Power Liner, Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. 2-in-1 liner and lash adhesive. Let's see how this goes. So it's a pen, which is wild. And there's the line. Now I'm curious how tacky it gets. Right, let's just give it a minute here and then try it, right? I'm excited to try these out. Yeah, buddy. But I need like an event. Like I can't be wearing these like to the grocery store. I'll feel like a fool. You got to be, it's got to be relative to your lifestyle, right? Like I don't live a luxurious lifestyle. That does not feel tacky at all. I hope this really works. Or does it go over? I'm going to have to read the instructions. Let's see. No, you put the lash on afterwards, but it doesn't feel... It is like really stay put already. Like, I know that's... Like, it's not like moving around a lot, so that's kind of nice. So we'll have to see how it goes. And if I remember to, I'll put some images right here. But anyway, so I'm going to try all this stuff out. I'll link to my full review below. I will link to Influenster as well. If you're interested in checking them out, you know, it's down there. If not, no big deal. I ain't mad at you, bro. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.